Myself Ankit Goyal. I am from Electrical Engineering branch IIT Indore. I wrote GATE 2013 exam this year and I got AIR 8 in the exam. Now something about GATE exam this year. The GATE exam that I appeared in this year was little bit easier than the GATE 2012 exam, but it was tougher than GATE 2011 exam. There were some questions that were plainly formula based, but there were some questions that were tricky that would look simple when you look at them plainly, but when you attempt them, you are most probably committing a mistake or something like that. So you had to be careful while attempting the paper because there will be many questions tempting you to go for them, but you have to be careful while attempting them. So GATE 2013 was a quite a bit scoring paper, but you should maintain your cool during the exam. Otherwise, you could have got many negative marks. So what strategy did I adopt while attempting the exam? I tried to attempt as many questions as possible within the least time because I wanted to go through the paper once again after I complete the question paper. So, but what I observed was during the paper, the exam looked easy to me. So I tried to attempt the complete paper and I did complete the paper. I attempted all 65 questions and I just revised the paper after 2 hours and I corrected many of my mistakes, but still some remained that you can't do anything about. So first of all, I started the question paper in the sequence without haphazardly trying and leaving questions. But whatever question I was indulging in and it was taking time, I left it for later and I moved on to the next question so that I will have plenty of time remaining after attempting the complete exam and I wouldn't be nervous. The reason that I think was for my success in the GATE exam was sheer preparation and the attitude that I attempted the GATE exam with. I kept my cool throughout the exam and I knew whatever performance I gave, it would be good. So that was the reason for my success in the GATE exam. First of all, you have to understand your caliber, then start your preparation. Likewise means how many months would you require to complete the GATE and all. Since I belong to an IIT, so my concepts were quite clear before the GATE exam, so I did not require much preparation. So that's one of the other reasons for my success in the GATE exam, the strong college foundation laid by the IIT. My strategy for preparing for the GATE exam was I tried to refer to the textbooks in the initial phase so that I can get the basics of the concepts which I was weak in and I was not so sure about. I started my preparation during the months of December and January. That 2 months I required for preparing for GATE exam, and during those 2 months I referred to the GATE distance learning program and the GATE material offered by the Gateforum. So I just referred to those for brushing up my concepts as well as to know clear idea what all comes in GATE exam and what all is unnecessary so that I can leave out those topics, because you cannot just refer to a textbook and read the complete topic if you have a very less time remaining. And also I was giving many mock tests like for previous year target tests and the online test series. I gave so many tests which helped me evaluate my performance, what were my strengths and what were my weaknesses, so that I can focus on my weaknesses and try to convert them to my strong points. As such, I did not set aside any number of hours for my GATE preparation, but I tried to utilize as much time as I got for my GATE preparation. Like if I got any free lecture during my college hours, I used to prepare for GATE, keep taking some textbook and then going through it, the topics that are useful for the GATE. And even during the hostel, I would prepare for the GATE exam and I would solve some MCQs or give a mock test at least. Like in the months of January, in the later 15 days, I tried to give a mock test every day so that my confidence would build up, and at the same time I could revise all the topics at once. So there is not such, you can't set aside any hours because it will add to the pressure only. If you can't prepare for those many hours one day, then you will feel pressurized. So you try to utilize as much time as you get for GATE preparation, and don't set aside any number of hours like I should prepare for 5 or 6 hours. You try to give your best shot so that you will be confident and you won't be stressed out. The study material offered by the GATE in the distance learning program is quite good and it is quite sufficient in the theory as well. Though I would like to add that the questions and the solutions given are sometimes wrong, but students must not get stressed out for that. They should be able to find the right answer and they should refer to theory for the material offered by the Gateforum, and they can also refer to some book for MCQs, like I referred the book that is R.K. Kanodia's Electrical Engineering for Gate MCQ, and also I referred to previous year Gate papers, and also I referred the textbooks like for control system I.J. Nagarath and I.M. Gopal. For electric machines I referred to I.J. Nagarath and Kothari, and for power electronics I referred to Rashid. For power systems I referred to Nagarath, Kothari, and many such books. But the main focus should be completing the theory within the least possible time. Like if you can complete the theory in the December month, then you can go on and prepare for MCQs in the month of January. Like you can attempt for mock test, you can solve a book like R.K. Kanodia's Electrical Engineering. Gateforum's test series helped me evaluating my performance on an all India level, and also the detailed analysis of section wise cutoff and section wise marks scored gave me an idea at what topics I was lacking in and what topics were strong points of mine. So I just went on to prepare those weak points, because you can never predict which topic may come in more number of marks and which may come less. Like electrical engineering, it is expected that power system should be in for higher weightage, but this time analog and digital electronics was for higher weightage. So you should be prepared with all the topics. You can't just say that following the gate pattern this should be the higher weightage and this should be the lower weightage. You should be prepared to tackle any question, any subject. So that's why Gateforum's test series helped me, because I never left off any topic. If I felt that I was lacking some effort or something in that topic, I would go on preparing it, and when I attempted the next online test or next mock test, I tried to score much in that topic so that I would be confident that I have made progress in the last test. And I just kept a record. If I am not making progress, then means I would be pressurized. I tried to make progress from one test to another test. And online test series is also beneficial because you can schedule your test by yourself. Means you can decide when to give the test. So when you are sure of giving a test, then only you give the test. Don't waste the test. Also the sessional tests that are given there, they are quite good. But I would like to tell that since there are many theory questions involved in that, though that would be helping you for preparing theory. For if you give sectional test, then your theory will be prepared, and when you go on attempting the full test, the experience that you gained in the sectional test and that through the material would come in handy. For students that are preparing for GATE exam, I would like to suggest that give it your best shot. Don't lack in some effort and take the help of Gateforum, because they provide many types of packages. The one that will suit you best, choose the package and take the help, and the faculties and all would be very much helpful, so that you can just go on with the doubts and all. And also those students who are currently in the college, try to take the help of faculty that is teaching you as much as possible, because they are also the experts of that subject. They can help you. And also try to brush up your concepts, as sometimes the GATE exam might be easy and sometimes it might be very depth in the concepts. So you should be ready to face the GATE exam, and you should not be feeling like if the theory paper comes then I would be lacking the knowledge, or if numerical comes. You should be ready with everything. You should give the GATE exam your best shot. For students who are just right now thinking about joining Gateforum and its packages, I would tell that Gateforum's packages are much higher, much better than any other packages offered by any other coaching and all. And also the guidance given is very best. So do join the Gateforum packages. Like this, I joined distance learning program because it was not possible for me to go for a daily class program. And students who have left the college, then they can definitely join the daily classroom program. And also the test series that Gateforum offers is one of the best test series, and it is much similar to the GATE exam, and it would really help in students preparing for the GATE exam, as it would evaluate them of their strengths and weaknesses, and also where they stand at the all India level. So I would like to tell the students, don't think too much about joining the Gateforum, just do it.